Hey guys, welcome to Cocktails and Crafts. I'm here with Jeff. We're going to be decorating skulls for Halloween and drinking. We've got spiked cider and the moon is full and the leaves are falling.
It's a beautiful moon. Damn.
What we're going to be showing you how to do is really simple. We have some that are already done that I'll show you if you want to grab those. Assistant Jeff.
Sure.
We're going to be taking regular, ordinary foam skulls that you get at a crafting store and decorating them to look like that, or like another one that's being handed to me. Or am I holding that? That one is so crazy looking.
I know.
This is one that Jeff did right here. I like the mohawk. I think that's actually pretty cool. All you're gonna need for this is a styrofoam
A styrofoam
head.
Or skull.
I can do this. All you're gonna need for this is a styrofoam skull. And what we did was we attached these. This is a vase with a skewer, duct tape. You can hold this with your hands, but it does help.
It's much easier to have it secured
kind of
to
plop
something
it on
else.
something. You can paint this in two different ways. I have this one in a solid color, and I did add I put black paint on my hand and right on the side there. Or you could do what Jeff did and make it sort of three-dimensional by putting a base coat of like a dark brown.
Yeah.
Is that what was on this? And then going over with like a copper and gold. Obviously, you can do whatever color you want.
Yeah.
But they do look really cool just like that. And that in and of itself is fine.
But we're not going to stop there.
No, we're going to make them fancier.
Yes.
So, should we get started?
Yeah.
All we have in front of us are the skulls. I've got some scissors in case I need them. I've got wire snips for fake flowers, which I'm going to be using. These I just picked up at the dollar store. I've got a hot glue gun. I've got some toothpicks in case we're jamming things in stuff. We've got beads, buttons,
Gems,
sequins, little fake spiders, eyeballs.
Oh,
I think Mars
Indiana
attacks.
Jones.
Oh,
yeah,
end.
Mars attacks too.
At the end when they
When
saw
the guy's
them.
eyes or face melts off.
Yeah. So I'm going to be doing something that's pink just because it sounded like fun. And I've got more Halloween stuff. You've got more autumnal things.
Yes.
You can have a plan if you want, but I'm going to be kind of making this up as I go.
And I have the illusion of a plan. I don't know why. I have this image in my head.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
And I don't know where it's from. When you carve a pumpkin, do you have a preference of like, do you want to make it scary or do you?
Yeah.
Do you?
I don't do funny jack-o'-lanterns.
No.
No. What about you?
It's based more on the pumpkin. One year I put a lighthouse in it. I didn't even do a face just because it was very tall and skinny. It reminded me of that. I'm glad you have beads.
Yeah.
Because, yeah, it's going to have to hide what I'm doing right now. Ow, ow,
Did you burn your finger?
Damn.
It's hot.
Yeah.
It's not warm glue.
Oh,
This has a lazy eye. That's okay. When I have a small bead like that, what I do is I actually take the hot glue, I squirt it out on a surface, and then I hold the bead with my hand and just dip and place.
Oh, but you have delicate fingers. No. Well, that's fun.
Now, in a lot of cases, if it's like a flower like this, you can just jam it right in. Right through the brain. Ah!
So now I have a question. Do I do an eyeball or not? Or does it look better?
It's hard to say.
I'm kind of on the fence. It almost looks like those coins. I'm not gluing them in, I'm just pushing. And if they stay, they stay.
Crafting is very dangerous.
I need to drink to not feel the pain.
That's exactly what you need to do. So I'm going to take some of the spiders, I think, and
Oh yeah.
so they look like they're climbing in around the flowers.
I had an interior designer friend in Houston who always talked about black in a room. When people would ask him, you know, because he designed for the rich ladies of Houston. And he described black as pepper on eggs.
Pepper on eggs.
It just goes. You just need a little bit of black. It's like pepper on eggs. Yeah.
Was he gay? He sounds a little gay.
He's a lot of gay. I took some inspiration from the trees across the street.
Oh, yeah?
With their green and red and yellow.
Stop doing that to yourself.
Well, I didn't think it was going to drip. Man. What do you think? Are these too much?
No. There's
The
no
leaves?
such thing as too
No?
much. No. See, I just did that, and then I just swipe it,
Oh,
and then it's on the back.
yeah.
And I just kind of sort of slide it on. And at that point, if you burn your finger, it's cool enough. It doesn't matter as much. I decided to put some sparkles on the spiders. How's yours?
I'm just toying with one last idea, but I think it might be done.
So all I did here was fake flowers all around the top, some plastic spiders stuck in, and some multifaceted little plastic, what would you call those?
Gemstones.
Gemstone thingies that I glued on
Faux
top of the
stones.
spiders. And the eyeballs are just like the googly eyes with, I've got a bead and a couple little shell beads right on there too. So that's that. Do you want a hand?
I think this is okay. I'm just trying to get it to stick to whatever's
So
there.
cool. What do you think?
I think it's good.
Yeah.
That's kind of where my brain was thinking it would go. I wasn't sure.
I like it. I
exactly.
think it's fun. So you've got like, what, like sunflowers? Right? It looks like a turkey. It's a turkey.
That I did not anticipate.
Sunflowers on the back is kind of cool. It does. It looks like gobble, gobble, gobble. But like scary. Like, nice tits, bitch.
The turkey that came back after dinner to kill everyone.
Thanks, kill. Have you ever seen Thanks Killing?
No,
Oh,
that's our thing.
yeah. That's the opening line of the turkey. Nice tits, bitch.
Very different.
Yeah, totally.
We have completely different end results.
So yeah, super easy, super simple, really messy.
Yep,
We gotta clean this up now.
but pretty cheap.
Yeah,
I mean,
really inexpensive
Find
because
stuff around the house.
you can. And the flowers came from the dollar store. Everything's on sale at Halloween places right now. Just whatever garbage you find that you kind of want to stick to something,
Right.
or even don't, just paint them. I actually thought
Yeah.
a bunch of these painted in like colors like this, or like orange and neon colors, just like all lined up,
Yeah,
would be
that'd
a
be fun.
really fun display.
Yeah.
Just in solid colors, not even like. But that would be cool too. Just a bunch of those.
A lot of metallic ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're super easy, and they're actually kind of fun to paint. So there you go. Happy Halloween. Skulls aplenty. And
Cocktails.
yeah,
Where'd yours go? Are you done?
mine's down here. I'm almost
Oh,
done.
all right. Cheers.
Cheers.
Nice job.
Thank you. And of course, if you like what you see and you're interested in seeing more, be sure to check me out on Patreon. It is just patreon.com/DustinHunter. If you'd like to support the channel, there are multiple tier levels with multiple perks, rewards,
Bonuses.
bonuses.
Yeah.
That sounds worse than benefits. But yeah, check me out on there. And also be sure to check out the merch store, teespring.com/store/DustinHunter. Links will be in the description of this video. All of the merchandise that's on there, 100% of every penny earned goes directly to charity. I have a slew of new Halloween shirts out featuring Count Raven Insane. And as a special, sort of, it's an anniversary for the 1 year anniversary of, I said anniversary twice, release of the Metamorphosis single and music video. I have a special Metamorphosis shirt that's available to purchase there as well. And again, everything goes to charity. So, Skulls,
Uh-huh.
Teespring,
I feel like yours should have a name.
Patreon.
I keep thinking about Mama's family. There's Naomi.
Iola. Iola is one of
Iola.
my favorite names.
Yeah, that-
I
she could be
I
an
love
Iola.
that name.
Sure.
What's yours?
Oh, I don't know.
Scary. Scary. I'm nice tits, bitch.
Right.
It's a really cool turkey.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you, Jeff, for being here.
Yeah. Thanks for asking me.
And I will see you guys soon. Bye. You want to go to bed? He's like right under my feet.
Come
Why are we still awake?
This is really nice. This is fun.
Thank you.